Your pens are still down. You're not drawing anything. Your caps are on the floor. Beautiful. Thank you. Got it? Thank you, Chloe. Okay. Pens are down. So let's think about this. Got it? Okay. Eyes up here. You just kind of watch. We'll walk through this. Okay. One way we could do this is we could take 27. I can make 10, 10, and 7. Why don't you do that on your board? Go through that. We'll get to that point then. Okay? No, I'm glad she brought that up. She said, I don't know what 7 times 7 is. That's great. Okay? Let's work through this. Let's walk through it together. There's a reason I choose the numbers I choose, people. I choose the factors that I know are going to bring up red flags for some of you. Once you write your numbers in there, 10, 10, and 7, put your cap back on, your marker, and put your marker down. Beautiful. 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 Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. You done, Logan? Wait, we're not. Logan, have I done that yet? I haven't done it yet. So, cap on. Baby steps. We're going to take baby steps here. We're going to go through this together. Okay? Now, I'll wait. Hannah, you absolutely may throw that away. Thank you for asking. Does anybody else need to throw away their blow pop stick? Go ahead and throw them away at this time, please. Nope, that's why it's surrounded by a delicious sucker, because the gum doesn't last that long. Okay, so I've got my break apart strategy here. 10, 10, and 7. Now if I go through and work it, 7 times 10, 7 times 10, 7 times 7. Yes, go ahead and do that. Write those down for me. And please, 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 please. I will say this 1,000 times before you sit down for that test on Friday. Write your work out, please, so that we can see it, so that you can see it. Okay? Beautiful. Beautiful. Mackenzie, nice. Noah, Chloe, got it. Caps are on, markers are down. Beautiful. Okay? Caps are on, markers are down. Okay, I didn't go that far yet. We're not done yet. Okay? Now. Nice. Okay, now I'm going to go through and solve. Okay? So I'm going to go through 7 times 10 is equal to what?
70.
7 times 10 better be the same. 70. Now we get to this 7 times 7. Okay. Now, it has come up that some of us know what 7 times 7 is. Some of us don't. Okay? So, what if we took 7 and we used the break apart strategy and went one extra step? Are there 2 numbers that come to mind right off the top of your head that you would say, I know, without even thinking, what that number and 7 is and that number and 7 is?
No.
Chloe, what's one of those numbers?
4.
You think 4? Okay. What do you think, Logan?
4 times 7.
Okay, I don't want to, just tell me what number.
5.
You think 5? Why do you think 5?
Because it's easier to count by 5.
Oh, these are, okay. Ava?
6.
You think 6? So 6 and 1?
Wait.
So you know what 6 times 7 is?
Yeah.
Okay. Aiden, what do you think?
10. Wait, no.
Well, I only need 7.
6.
2 numbers, so you think 6. Okay. So let's go through our exercise we did the other day, remember?
No.
Numbers that equal 7. 1 plus
7. 6. No, 6. I'm sorry.
2 plus
5. Should we write this?
3 plus, nope, I just want you to watch.
4.
4 plus, okay, so we're basically out with that. Okay? Now, which set of those numbers is easier to count by? If you had to count by, how many of you can count by 6s without even thinking about it? Okay? How many of you can count by 4s without even thinking about it? How about 3s? Can you go all the way to 12 counting by 3s?
Yes.
Can you count by 4s all the way to 12?
Yeah.
Now, I don't mean 4, 8, 12. I mean 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
No.
Okay, so which set of these numbers is easiest to skip count by? Noah, what do you think?
25.
Okay. Because I think everyone in this room, and I would probably stake a small fortune, you can count by 2s.
Really?
I believe that. I believe also, I would stake a small fortune, most of you can count by 5s.
Yes.
So if we take our 7, we get rid of it, and we break it down even further into 5 and 2. Yes. Let's break it down one more step. Okay?
What?
I don't want to hear squeaking. No squeaking with the erasers, please. Simply erase your work. Split it down again to a 5 and a 2.
So we have to
Beautiful.
erase our 7.
Yep. Erase your 7. It no longer exists. Now it's 5 and 2. Good. Good.
Papa.
Good. Lexia? Good.
I love the answer.
Good. Got it. Got it. Good. Andrew, how you doing? Got it? Good. That's all right. Okay. So now I've got Kenzie. Eyes up here. Because right up here is the smart board. And the smart guy.
It's a birthday boy.
Birthday boy. Can't forget birthday. I should get all your attention because it's my birthday.
Yeah, guys, just got
The whole world revolves around me
Mr.
today.
Ergle.
5 times 7 and 5 times 2. Okay?
I did 5.
Mackenzie?
That's the smallest I've seen you right before.
I know. 5 times 7 is what?
35. 35.
Mackenzie says 35. Logan?
35.
35, McKenna?
Me. No, I wanted to ask a question.
Oh, okay. So 5 times 7 is 35. Let's write that in there.
Okay.
And 5 times 2 is? I'm sorry, it's not 5 times.
7.
It's 2 times 7. My
That's
fault.
what I was going to say.
Thank you, McKenna. Yes. I got that wrong. Sorry, guys. 2 times 7 is what?
35.
Chloe? It is 14. Okay. Take a look at your board. Take a look at my board. Make sure you've got the numbers that I've got.
Can I go on Mr. Ergle for some?
Now, Mackenzie? Yes, please go spit out your gum. Anybody else need to spit out your gum?
Oh, yes.
Nope? Okay, go. Go spit your gum out now.
I keep it.
See, the only time you'll be allowed to spit in class is when you spit your gum out.
Mr. Ergle, can I
Oh, there you go.
What else would you say? Yeah, what else would you?
Okay,
I like it when you
your board look like my board.
yeah.
Now, what are we going to do with these numbers down here?
Add them.
70 plus 70,
That equals 140.
140 plus 35. Sorry,
Should we write this stuff?
35.
Yeah. Should we write this?
You should write this
Okay.
because I'm going to stop there.
I got it. Oh,
Just do the work.
okay. I
I don't know.
14. You remember you should be 9. Well, I got it.
I don't know.
This up right here. Mr. Ergle, you're being funny on video.
I know.
Hey, Mr. Ergle, post this video on YouTube. Do you think this video? I did my homework.
Now, is that 33, Ava, that you've got there?
Right there?
Yeah.
No, it's 35.
Oh, it looks like
It's really
30.
tiny.
I just want to make sure it wasn't 33. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I don't know. We're going to do it right now. I've got 140. That's 175 plus 14.
Equals 189.
189.
Yes.
Okay.
I just did it in one whole range.
Now, I'm going to call on somebody. I'm going to call on somebody, and this is what I want you to do with what you see on the board. Okay?
Mr. Ergle, you forgot to do the plus You're welcome.
I'm going to call on somebody, and I'd like you to explain to me.
Ew.
Why don't you throw it away? I would like you to explain to me how we did this problem. Okay? In other words, you need to put it into words. You need to tell me how we solve this problem. And you need to go step by step. Okay? Brooke, you want to give it a shot?
Yeah.
Come on up here. Start from the very beginning and walk me through it.
So we just split it into easier numbers.
Do you remember what that splitting is called? What strategy is it called? If I
Break apart?
break apart. Okay, so we're going to break apart.
I didn't tell her.
I
went like this.
sit still. Go ahead. So you broke it apart. What did you break it apart into? How did you break it apart?
We put it into easy numbers that you can count by.
What numbers?
Like 10, 5, and 6.
Well, show me where you point to the areas and tell me exactly what you did.
10, 10, 5, and 6.
Beautiful. Okay, and then what did you do with those numbers?
We multiplied 7 with them.
Okay, so you went through multiplied each one of those areas, okay? And then what did you do with the, what's that thing called at the, what's the answer to a multiplication problem
The product.
called? It's called a what?
Product.
It's a product, okay. Okay, so it's called a product. So what did you do with all those products then once you found them?
We added them together.
You added all of them together.
Yeah.
Please make sure when you add your products together, count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Count them. Make sure you got the right, especially here. Because, and I know this is going to happen, and it's not wrong, somebody's going to do 7 tens. I know it's coming. Please make sure you have 7 tens. Okay? Make sure when you multiply that 10 times whatever this factor is, you've got the right number of products up there. Thank you, Brooke. Then what do? Your answer is down here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Mackenzie. Huh? Well, we're gonna do some more. We're gonna do some more. All right? Okay. Erase all your boards and then put your markers down and put your erasers down. Erase all of your boards. Put your markers down. Quickly, quickly. You're not painting Picasso. Just erase it. Put your cap on your markers and then put everything down. What's that? Awesome.
I want to paint him though.
Your caps are on your markers, Hannah, and you're sitting in your seat. Your eraser and your everything's down. Okay. All eyes are up here. Here's the next problem. Hayden, she's not working on you. She's up here. Then your eyes are up. There's only 6 times 8. It's not 60 times 8.
Six here. Some of you might have done 2 and 4.
Okay? All right. Clear your boards. Let's do another one. Clear your boards. Yeah, McKenna already asked. Where's your eraser? She grabbed yours. Hers is over here. Oh. Clear your boards. Here's your next rectangle. I want efficient. We want efficient. Hey, guess what? It's 5s. Count by 5s.
That's what I did.
Count by 5s. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. Huh? You're not? How come? I don't know. Javiana, you need to get your rectangle on there, hon. You are going to have to draw rectangles on this test. I need you to draw a rectangle.
Okay, Javiana, you have to draw a rectangle. What? Yep. All eyes are up here. Okay, she's adding up, Noah. Your eyes should be up here, not talking back to Kevin. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, you were looking
Back
back.
there, so your eyes weren't up here.
Just because it was just showing me
Well, no. Pay attention to McKenna, please.
something. Here's your answer.
342.
That's what I got.
Good. Hey, JV. Check your adding.
It's raining.
Check your adding.
Right here.
Okay. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All eyes up here. Caps are on. Markers are down. Erasers are on your desk.
But I have to.
Put your dry erase in front of you. Keep adding. Keep adding. Keep going. Kevin's going to show us the break apart strategy. We'll see. Go, Kevin. Can you reach it? You need to move it down. You good? Okay. Okay, McKenna. Eyes up here.
Okay, do it quietly.